Hello everyone, this is you Ashwini. I am from Bessel English Medium School, dealing with subject English of class 3. Children, we have to know about the topic is the old Brer Rabbit. This one is the textual part of the old Brer Rabbit. A Roman, listen to your teacher read section 1. Take the correct meanings of these sentences. Okay, love you. First of all, you have to understand the section 1 and you have to correct the meanings of these sentences. Okay, children? First one, Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox were like some children, I know. A. Uncle Remus knew some children whose names were Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox. B. Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox behaved like little children. Which is the correct option in this first one? Is it A or B? Is the first is the B is the correct answer. That is the Brer Rabbit and Brer Fox behaved like little children. They are behaved like little children. So first one is B. Second one, both of them were always off to one another. Is a here A and B options is there. Is the first A option is both of them chased each other. B. Both of them were always nasty to each other. Which is the correct answer? Is a B is right. So what is a B? Both of them were always nasty to each other. So second one is B. Third one, now Brer Fox always had one eye on Brer Rabbit. A. Brer Fox closely watched Brer Rabbit. B. Brer Fox watched Brer Rabbit with only one eye. Which is the correct option? Is the A. Because of is Brer Fox is always followed to the Brer Rabbit. That means Brer Fox closely watched Brer Rabbit. That is the A. Is the third one is A. Fourth one, but he could not make head nor tail of it at all. A. He could not understand what happened. B. He could not put Brer Rabbit's head or tail together. Which is the correct option to the fourth one? Is the A. Because of Brer Fox could not understand what happened is there. So that is the A. So fourth one is A. Now C Roman. Fill in the blanks to complete this flow chart. See all of you, in this Roman we have some flow chart is there. So you have to write the answers in this arrow marks all of you. Okay. First one, Brer Rabbit got into a bucket to dash. Okay, where the Brer Rabbit is going? Yes, is going into a bucket to take a quiet nap. Why he was going to bucket? Yes, he was going to into the bucket because of he wanted to quite some nap. So what is the answer? Take a quiet nap. Okay, is the first one blank is take a quiet nap. As soon as he got into the bucket, it dash. As soon as he got into the bucket, what he want to into the bucket he got? Yes, it went down into the well. It went down into the well. Emainakada? He went down into the well. In the blank you have to write went down into the well. So when he wanted to when he wanted to take some nap, he chose the bucket and he went into the well. Third one, at first Brer Rabbit felt dash. Okay, Brer Rabbit felt is very scared because of he was shaken with some fever also because of he went into the well. So what is the answer, mom? At first Brer Rabbit felt very scared. Fourth one, Brer Fox thought that Brer Rabbit had dash, and then last one is a Brer Fox is following to the Brer Rabbit. Children. Yes, and then Brer Fox thoughting. It's a Brer Rabbit had hidden his money in the well. A well ido money daachadam cheppesi tanu anukuntundi. Okay, Brer Fox thought that Brer Rabbit had hidden his money in the well. Okay. Brer Rabbit told him that he was dash. After that, Brer Rabbit told to the Brave Fox, I am fishing. I was fishing in this well. So what is the answer? Minus blank. What you have to write? So fishing. 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 He invited Brave Fox to dash. Okay, why he was invited? Yes, he invited Brave Fox to help him bring up the fish. You have to give in to the fish. You have to come inside. Okay. When Brave Fox got into the bucket. Okay. When Brave Fox got into the bucket, it dashed. Whenever Brave Fox got into the bucket, it went down into the well. Okay, and before already is a Brave Rabbit. Got into the bucket. It went down to the well. As well as Brave Fox got into the bucket, it went down into the well, and his weight pulled, and Brave Rabbit up, and then he went to the well. Okay. In this blank you have to write went down into the well and his weight pulled Brave Rabbit up. D. Roman, tick the correct answers. First one, why did not Brave Rabbit rest though he was tired? A. He thought that the others would call him lazy. B. He did not like to rest. So what is the correct answers in this A or B? Yes, A. Because of he was afraid that the rest of them would call him lazy. So, what is that option? Yes, A. First one, A. Second one, when Brave Rabbit jumped into one bucket, what happened to the other bucket? A. The other bucket went up. B. The other bucket went down. Okay, what is that option, mom? Yes, A. Because of when the Brave Rabbit jumped into the one bucket, is a Brave Rabbit weight is pulled down, and is the second bucket is the empty bucket is up. So, what is that option? Yes, A. The other bucket went up. Third one, who came up when Brave Fox went down into the well? A. Brave Rabbit came up. B. Brave Bee came up. Which option is the right? Is a A, because of when the Brave Fox went down to the second bucket and he waited, and then Brave Rabbit came up. Okay, so is the third one is A. E. Roman, write true or false for these sentences. Okay, in this E. Roman we have some 5 sentences are there. Which is the correct sentence? You have to write true. Which is the wrong sentence? You have to write false. First one, Brave Rabbit told everyone he was tired and was going to rest. Okay, Brave Rabbit told everyone no. So, and he was tired and was going to rest. So, this sentence is right or wrong? Yes, false. So, you have to write the first one is false. Second one, Brave Rabbit was afraid to jump inside the bucket. Okay. Sentence is true or false? Is a false, because of he is jumping inside the bucket because of he is jumping to the take some nap. So this sentence is belongs to false. Now third one, Brave Fox could see Brave Rabbit inside the well. The sentence is a true or false? False, because of the Brave Fox could not see Brave Rabbit inside the well. So third one is false. Fourth one, Brave Fox jumped into the second bucket. Is it right? Yes. The first bucket is jumped into the, as a Brave Rabbit is jumped into the first bucket, and the Brave Fox jumped into the second bucket. So this sentence is right. So fourth one, true. And now fifth one, Brave Fox got stuck in the well. Is it right? Yes. Brave Fox got stuck in the well. This is the right. So fifth one is true. H. Roman, what do these sentences mean? Take the correct answers. So all of you, here we have some sentences here there. Which is the correct sentence meaning? You have to choose that one. Okay. First one, the sun got sort of hot. A. The sun was angry. B. The sun was very hot. Which is the correct answer? Is B. The sun was very hot. Second one, he slipped off to hunt for a cool place to rest. A. He went away in a rush. He went away quietly. Which is the correct option? Is the B. He went away quietly. Now, third one. Brave Rabbit kept mightily still. A. He did not move at all. B. He was strong and quiet. Okay, what is the meaning of this sentence? A. He did not move at all. Okay. Now fourth one. He got up close. A. He shut it up. B. He went very near. Okay, what is the meaning of this sentence? Yes, B. He went very near. I, Roman, fill in the blanks with words from the box. See, all of you have to fill the blanks in from this box. In this box, we have some words are there that are right, night, tonight, bright, fight, and light. Okay. First one, we should not dash. We should not fight. We should not fight. Second one, it was the middle of the dash. It was the middle of the night. It was the middle of the night. Okay. Third one, Hamid will come for dinner tonight. Hamid will come for dinner tonight. Fourth one, this answer is right. This answer is right. Fifth one, the dash for the moon is very dash. Okay, moon. The light from the moon is very bright. Okay, is the first in blank is light and the second one is bright. Okay, the light from the moon is very bright. J. Roman, look up these words in your dictionary. They sound alike but have different spellings and meanings. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Here, see, we have some, in this each one we have some two words that pronunciation is same but meaning is different. So you have to choose that one, okay? First one, pale. Second one, pale. Okay. Please fill this dash with water. Are you feeling well? You look a little dash. Okay, please fill this pale. P-A-I-L. Okay, P-A-I-L. You have to first blank in this right, pale. Please fill this pale with the water. Are you feeling well? You look a little pale. P-A-L-E. Second one, whole, whole. W-H-O-L-E, whole, H-O-L-E, whole. We spent the dash day at the beach yesterday. We spent the whole day. W-H-O-L-E, whole. We spent the whole day at the beach yesterday. Ankita and I made a deep dash in the sand. Ankita and I made a deep hole in the sand. Hole, H-O-L-E, hole. Okay. Third one, sun, sun. S-U-N, sun. S-O-N, sun. Is Kapil your dash? Is Kapil your son? S-O-N, son. Is Kapil your son? And next one, the dash is hidden behind the clouds. The dash, the sun, S-U-N, sun. The sun is hidden behind the clouds. Fourth one, tail, tail. T-A-I-L, tail. T-A-L-E, tail. Have you heard the dash of the rabbit and the lion? Have you heard the tail, T-A-L-E, tail of the rabbit and the lion? A rabbit has long ears and a short tail. Okay, rabbit has a long ears and a short tail, T-A-I-L, tail. Okay. It's a pronouns ma. It's a pronouns words that take the place of nouns. It's the repeated nouns can make a sentence sound odd and we use pronouns to avoid that. Okay, repeated nouns can make the sentence. We use the pronouns to avoid that. Okay, see here some example is there. Brer Rabbit yelled that Brer Rabbit had a thorn in his hand. Okay, Brer Rabbit yelled that is another is a repeated noun is came again. Yes, so you have to write he. Brer Rabbit means he, you know. Yes, Brer Rabbit yelled that he had a thorn in his hand. One day, Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, Brer Coon and Brer Bear were cleaning up a field. Okay, how can you write this sentence? Yes, Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, Brer Coon and Brer Bear worked very hard. Okay, in this sentence we have to write this same. Okay, one day, Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, Brer Coon and Brer Bear were cleaning up a field. And who are that? Is a Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, Brer Coon and Brer Bear are they. Okay, how many members are there? Is a 4. So they are. Okay, they worked very hard. Okay, that is the they is the pronoun and the he is pronoun. Okay. Red rabbit is the only one, so you have to write he. And there's so many is there. Is a Brer rabbit, Brer fox, Brer coon, and Brer bear. So we have to write they. Okay, these are pronouns. Okay, ma. Now K Roman. Match the columns. First one, Brer rabbit hops into the bucket. Okay, Brer rabbit hops into the bucket. So what is that option? Yes, is the D. That means okay, why he did get into the bucket? He wants to take a nap. So first one is D. Second one, that is Sachin's study table. That is Sachin's study table. Okay, which option is there? It is made of wood. Okay, the table is made of wood. So second one to C. Third one, my mother taught me to plant seeds. Okay, my mother taught me to plant seeds. Okay, what is that option? A. She is skilled gardener. She is skilled gardener. Okay, so third one to A. Fourth one, don't use plastic bags. Okay, don't use plastic bags. Okay, what is the option? Is B. They are bad for the environment. They are bad for the environment. So fourth one to B. Fifth one, Arif and Nazma are friends. Okay, Arif and Nazma are friends. Is belongs to the option is F. They play in the park. Where are they? They are in the park and they are to play. So they play in the park. The fifth one to A. Sixth one, Meena is my neighbor. Meena is my neighbor. Which is the E. We walk to school together. We walk to school together. Okay. First one D, second one C, third one A, fourth one B, fifth one F, and sixth one E. Okay. L Roman, choose pronouns from the box to replace the underlined words. Okay, in this we have some pronouns easy in this box. Okay, what are that? Is the me, us, you, he, her, it, them. These are in this box we have some pronouns ma. Okay, here these are pronouns. Okay, so you have to choose this box and with the underlined words. Okay. First one, my name is Meenakshi. You can call Meenakshi Meena. I see all of you. My name is Meenakshi. You can call Meenakshi. Again, Meenakshi is there, you know. So you have to write the Meenakshi is the place. You have to write another one. That is a pronoun. You have to write the pronoun of is the second Meenakshi. Okay. First one you have to write me. My name is Meenakshi. You can call me Meena. Second one, the teacher told my class that we could play in the playground. See all of you, the teacher told my class. The underlined word is my class. How then why you have to write this blank? Yes, you have to write in this underlined word us. The teacher told us that we could play in the playground. Third one, Jacob plays cricket. Is Jacob bats well. Is Jacob. Okay, 1 second Jacob is there. So is the Jacob plays, you have to write he. Jacob plays cricket. He bats well. Fourth one, Nomi, your book is lying over there. Do you want me to bring it to Nomi? Okay. Here we have to write is a Nomi is another one. So you have to write the is a Nomi, your book is lying over there. Do you want me to bring it to you? Yes. In this underlined words, you have to write why were you. Okay. Fifth one. My friend Nina is coming to play with me. I will play Scrabble with my friend Nina. So here in this underlined word, my friend Nina. What is you have to write? Is the pronoun is her. H-E-R, her. Sixth one. The children were given a project. The teacher asked the children to finish it on time. Is it the children? Underline the word is the children. You have to write in this one them. T-H-E-M, them. The children were given a project. The teacher asked them to finish it on time. Seventh one. I have a storybook in my bag. Let me give the storybook to you. And this underlined word is the storybook. So you have to write it. I have a storybook in my bag. Let me give it to you. M. Roman, your teacher will read out some sentences. Read the names of the speakers. See all of you? Here I will say some sentences. What are the sentences of the name? You have to write the names of the speakers. Okay. The first one, jumped into the bucket. Rare fox. Okay. Who said these words? Okay, who is the speaker of the sentences? Yes, the speaker of the sentence is Brer Rabbit. Okay, you have to write the first one is Brer Rabbit. Hey, Brer Rabbit, who are you visiting down there? Who said this sentence? Yes, this sentence belongs to the speaker is Brer Fox. Okay, second one, Brer Fox. Third one, how will I get down there, Brer Rabbit? Who's the sentence? Okay, the speaker is Brer Fox. So third one is Brer Fox. Fourth one, it will bring you down safe and sound. Okay, who said these sentences? As the speaker is Brer Rabbit. Is the fourth one, Brer Rabbit. Oh, I am just fishing, Brer Fox. Who said these words? Is the said words is Brer Rabbit. Okay, so fifth one is Brer Rabbit. Last one, Brer Fox crept up a little near the well and listened. Okay, who listened this in this sentence? Yes, Brer Fox. So, is the sixth one is Brer Fox. Okay.